We have great news from the Omaha Bar Association. The Daily Record, our legal newspaper here in Omaha, is now available for free to Omaha Public Library card-holding members. I'm going to walk you through the process on how to get to the archives, the digital archives. They are put together by newspapers.com, and with our help at the Omaha Public Library, we are appreciative to have this available to any member of the public who has a public library card. And it is in celebration of our 150th anniversary for the Omaha Bar Association in 2025 that we were able to get this done. So you navigate to the Omaha Public Library website at omahalibrary.org. Under Resources Center, click that. Go down to Newspapers, Magazines, and Journals. Click that. And now you're gonna go down the page, scroll down past New York Times to newspapers.com. And at this page, it will prompt you for your library barcode. This is on your library card on the back side. Click sign in. And now you are inside the library's access to newspapers.com. There are a tremendous number of papers that are included in here, but we are going to focus on the Daily Record because it is the paper of the legal community since 1891, and before that under a different name, but from 1891 until present, the Daily Record has been our newspaper. So to find our paper, you can simply, again, go to Papers and then put in Daily Record, hit search, and you scroll down just a little bit. And here we are, the Daily Record, Omaha, Nebraska, also known as the Omaha Law and Mercantile Reporter. Click on that. And now you can search by keyword through 185,000 pages. So I'm going to search for the Omaha Bar Association references. Click search, and what am I finding? Here is a field day notice from June 3rd, 1985, telling everybody to get ready for field day. If anybody who's looking for history of the legal community in Omaha, this is a tremendous resource that now is available for free to all members of the public who have a public library card. And as a bar association, we were really keen to have this available to the public for free in our 150th year. So thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to look up things in the Daily Record for free in the digital archive.